finna put it right here. This picture was okay. Smash.
Yeah, everything around me.
Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. It's your girl Nia. Like, call me Nia. One of the two. Like, do what you want. Okay, but today we're gonna be doing a YouTuber's edition smash or pass. So I went on Instagram and I asked some of my followers, you know, comment y'all favorite YouTuber, like who y'all want me to smash or pass. Disclaimer, I am not really smashing these people, okay? It's basically, are you cute or not? Honestly, like, that's the real gag. So, let's just get straight to it instead of mumbling, you feel me? Period. I think I'm gonna stand kind of to the side. Alright, first people I have on my list is Josh and Kenny from Josh and Kenny. I know who they are, but I don't know who is who, and I have to go find a picture of them, so. Josh is cute. I would smash Josh. I think this is Josh. I think. If Josh is the tall one, I would smash. Kenny, I would smash too. He's cute. But Josh, I would smash for sure. He's cute. Like, I just like, Josh is just cute, okay? Josh is my favorite. Let's just say that. My fave, okay? Next person we got Smooth Geo. Okay, I'm gonna put a picture of Geo right here. Geo is cute, but he's short, so I'm gonna have to pass. I'm gonna have to pass on Geo, but Geo's cute though. He's cute, okay? Armon and Trey. I guess first we're gonna do Armon. Armon can dress. That's one thing I like about Armon. He can dress super duper good. And he's cute, so. Yeah, I would smash Armon. Armon's cute. Like, especially this picture. I'm finna put it right here. This picture was. Okay. Smash. I like Trey. I like Trey's personality. He's funny as hell. Trey is funny, like, he's hilarious, like, has me dying all the time. You feel me? And Trey, he's cute. I would smash. Damn, I sound like a hoe. But I would smash. I would smash, I guess, both of the brothers. Oh, and I like their new song. New bitch who like steal is ClarenceNYC. Everybody should know who ClarenceNYC is. I'm still gonna put a picture. Would I smash Clarence? Clarence is cute, like, of course, like, it's cute as hell. But would I smash though? Probably not. I'm gonna pass on him. I'm gonna pass on Clarence. Next person we got. Trey, MF and Pills, my baby, like, that's my baby. Of course, smash. I mean, that's my boyfriend. So, no, I'm just playing. But Trey, super cute. Like, my husband. Like, get it together. But smash, okay? Next person we got Sammy King. I never heard of him, but I have seen his videos before, I think. Would I smash? I'm gonna have to pass on Sammy King. But his hair is cute though. I'm just gonna have to pass on him. Next person we got is Flight Reacts. Now, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to pass. Something is wrong with that man. I don't know what's wrong with him. Something's wrong with him. I'm gonna have to pass. Like, I'm so sorry. Next person. Next person we got Jay Versace. Now, I could have swore Jay Versace is gay, but if Jay Versace wasn't gay and he had his hair cut like it is now, I would smash. Like, he's cute. You feels. Next person we got is Austin from the Ace family, I think she just commented Austin, so I believe it's Austin from the Ace family. I'm gonna have to pass. I don't watch the Fraud family. I don't watch them. So I'm gonna have to pass. Next person we got is Ken from DK4L. Ken, he's cute, but I wouldn't smash. Yeah, I wouldn't smash him. I mean, dear, that's all you. Homegirl, that's all you. Like, we already know that. But I wouldn't smash. I don't know. Next person we got is Pontiac Bay DDG. Pontiac, DDG is cute. But would I smash? No. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it at that. I wouldn't smash. He's cute though. Next person we got is Chris, MF and Gilly. I would smash. He's cute to me. I mean, aren't they Trey and him cousins? I don't know, but he's cute. I'm gonna have to smash. You feel me? Smash, okay? Next person we got is DeJounte, Jilly boyfriend. That's what she put. She put Jilly's boyfriend. He's cute. Like, really cute. And he plays basketball. And you know, all basketball players got like a sense of humor. Like, they funny. All of them. Most basketball players got a sense of humor. I'm telling you. I'm going to have to smash. Smash, okay? Smash, okay? Next person we got is Playboy J. Now, I don't know who that is. So, we're going to try to find his Instagram. I'm going to be pissed if it's not even a real person. Oh, it is. Hold on. Y'all might have just did something. Oh, yeah. This is a smash. He is cute. Whoever commented this, I'm going to applaud you on that one. He is cute. Had to hit that bad follow, okay? Period. That bad ass follow. Like, he's fun. Okay, yeah. Smash. Next person we got is Patty. If y'all don't know who Patty is, that's Monda God on YouTube. Patty's not ugly, but he's not cute. I wouldn't say he wasn't. Okay, I can't say that he's not cute. Like, I don't know. He's not ugly though. But would I smash? No, I wouldn't smash. But I do like the way he talk. I just like the tone of his voice. I don't know what it is. I don't know if that's New York accent. I don't even think he really has a New York accent, but I like the way he talk. I don't know. It's just the tone of his voice. But I smash? Nah, I wouldn't smash Patty. Next person is Chris Sales. Now, don't get me wrong, Chris is cute, but would I smash him? No. He's probably full of STDs. Wouldn't do that. I'm sorry. Next person we have is Mega McQueen. If y'all know who Mega McQueen is, go find him. But I'm about to put a picture of him right here. Okay, McQueen, don't get me wrong, he's cute. You know, he's very handsome. But would I smash? No. I'm being biased right now because whatever happened with Mariah, I can't. Unbiased, I would smash. Biased, I would not. Just saying. Next person we have is Black Charco. Gonna put a picture of him right here. Would I smash? Yes, I would smash. Chark is cute, like hair and all, like beautiful, like just cute. I would smash. Next person we got is Ty the Guy. I love Ty the Guy. I love his personality. I love he's funny. Like, I love a dude with sense of humor. And he got his hair cut now. Now he looking real scrumptious. You feel me? He look real good. But would I smash? Yes, I would smash. I would smash. What next person we got? Well, last person is D-Rock, and his name is Davies. He's really, 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 really cute. Like, super. beautiful. Just beautiful. You feel me? Just cute. I'm gonna have to smash. I'm gonna have to smash you, homeboy. I'm sorry. You're just cute. You're cute. I'm sorry to your girlfriend, buddy. Feel me? Well, that's the conclusion of this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you liked it, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment some things y'all want me to do next. I have an idea of what I want to do after this. For the people that's asking for a clothing haul, I will do that probably at the end of October. I have a lot of birthdays I gotta get people stuff for, so you gotta work with me. My next video probably gonna do a mukbang since everybody keeps asking me to do a mukbang. I'm pretty funny, so I think it will be entertaining. Well, I think I'm funny. Another thing, if y'all want me to do Vlogtober, I think I could try to do Vlogtober and try to upload every day. That would be lit. We should, if y'all want me to do that, please comment down below. And I will see you guys later. I don't have an outro, y'all, so I don't know what to say. Let me think of something to say. See you later, alligator. Okay? Bye.